Thank you. ARV. This lady is armed response dog. And as you heard, the boss is happy. Matrix. They make a big deal of this Matrix brand, don't they? Obviously it's the no nonsense.
What are you doing, man?
They want their name out there, their results to be known. It's all good.
What are you doing?
And of course we're doing everything we should.
This idiot on the phone
Staying
or
on the
what?
public highway, not obstructing, not being rude, not committing any sort of public order offence, causing anybody any alarm.
Jesus Christ.
But what was the lady in the white car doing, hey? A little test for her. Would you like to tell me your name?
Stupid woman.
Well, she wanted my name, but she wasn't willing to tell me hers. What?
Well, fuck aren't we going? You can't go that way, mate. This guy is going the wrong fucking way. You can't go that way. You can't go that way. What are you doing? What an idiot. An absolute moron. What a complete clown.
No, it's not.
What do you mean it's
No,
not?
this
Come
is-
on.
It's a private property.
I don't mind.
I have to call police.
Listen, I don't mind doing...
All right, I got to ask you one game before.
Okay, please.
Shooting the scene where you lose your hand.
Yes,
What was that like for you?
that was. I actually remember that very well because I was really. I had the flu, so I was in the trailer, and they were like, "Can you
Fuck
please come out?"
Christ.
And I was like, yes. And so I was just almost just lying there.
A huge impact by saying, look at me, I'm going to slam open my door and I'm going to walk out with anger.
Look at this fucking idiot bike rider in a fucking bus only lane. What an absolute clown. What the fuck are you doing? You're an idiot. Sake, mate. People just running red lights. Whoa, what a fucking idiot. What is this absolute lug nut doing? I don't even know where he went. I don't know what this guy's doing. Wow, what an absolute fucktard.
A few minutes later.
Q, what is this guy doing? You know, it's times like this you would say, when's the police around? It's actually more like, where's a concrete barrier? Or a tree? That'd solve the problem much better.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Well, you shouldn't have gone up their ass like that. Yes. Oh, they're a bit. Hey, aqueduct? Are they is that what they call duckies? It? Aqueducts or something? Oh, they're a bit different. There's some footage for Scotties. Oh, I did see him. He's got his big orange top on. You saw that, the old dive. God, that must have been heavy. Jeez. Yeah, I took a photo of that one because of the shape of it. The par. They're all on coverage. I'm not entirely sure that you'd be able to road register. Which way are we going? I'm going to tell you in a second. Look at that one! Oh, I don't think I'll get it. Oh, I don't think I'll get in there, would I? Oh, I don't know. Will we try? Yeah, try.